Today I'm going to be making carnivore beef stroganoff. This isn't too difficult to make. It'll probably take you about 15 minutes. One of the optional ingredients that you can use is mushrooms. We like mushrooms, so we put them in our stroganoff. If you don't like them or don't want them, just leave them out. It's not a big deal. It'll still taste great. So for this recipe, you're going to need a pound of ground beef, some salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, a cup of beef broth, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. I like to cook mine in the pot that I'm going to make the stroganoff in. Make sure you leave the juices in there. You're going to add in 1 cup of beef broth. You're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of salt. You want to go ahead and bring this to a boil, allowing the cream cheese and the butter to melt. Once you have everything melted, go ahead and turn your heat down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This will allow it to thicken up a little bit. As you can see, that has thickened up nicely. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, get a little bit of a last stir, and get that portioned out into our bowl. This makes for a quick and easy evening meal. Eats more like a soup than it does a regular stroganoff, only because regular stroganoff is typically ladled over egg noodles, which we're not using. And you see how good that looks right there. This is an awesome dish, and you can kind of tweak this recipe to suit your liking. There we have our beef stroganoff. It's very hot, but very tasty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this, or let me know if you have some variations on this. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.